I need to fix my sound here. I just started recording, which means I'm gonna play like shit in Apex,
Ooh, I'm lagging a bit.
because that's just my luck.
Pop the smoke, make 'em broke.
Pop the smoke,
Behind
make
me?
'em broke. Alright,
Bro, my
let's
teammates are giving
go.
out some good
Please don't
call-outs.
take my main. Oh, alright, Bloodhound it is.
Fight Reeker.
My god. Oh my
Gotta-
god, bro!
I just gotta remember what my actual abilities are here. I only have 2 kills as Bloodhound. Shit.
This is your champion.
No, why'd I drop here?
I will choose our location for battle.
Badass
I say
thing
we
ever.
land here.
Solid
Roger,
copy.
motherfucker.
Battle lies below.
Top 5. Get it, boys, let's get it.
Heard that.
Where are the rest of them?
Ooh. Alright.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, shields and ammo.
We should really deposit our shit.
I'm gonna go on GTA and work on my business now.
In a minute since I've been on
Produce some
GTA.
produce some money. Need to go make some money.
First blood.
Gotta hop up here.
Babe, where my money? Someone's been in this vehicle.
Okay.
Drop shots and rocks like the good old
Put
days.
myself good. Actually focus here. Yay!
Save that. Save that.
Oh, they
I found
destroyed
my
my
rifle.
tack. Damn. That's how it be, bro.
I found my
You don't want me
favorite
coming back?
sniper.
Right, we might have guys.
I can find a fucking scope for it.
Let's don't turn them on,
Stock
shall we?
ammo. Drop the shotgun ammo.
Bring.
Take that. Fuck yeah, we'll swap this out for this. Take that.
Oh, beep.
Beep
Ah,
beep.
too late.
Beep beep, Bucky.
Yeah, beep. And depositing the cash. God damn, that's a big chunk of cash.
Need the sniper.
Herbie,
Uh oh.
can I have some dessert? Can I have some dessert?
That's going in my video, homeboy. That's going in my video.
I have all ice cream.
Oh, and by the way, no, he's not allowed to have any dessert. He needs to finish his beans.
Oh, bro. All right. So you know, I remember yesterday or last night I was talking to you about the tiers you could get at the end of Plunder, like wood, bronze, silver,
Oh.
gold, platinum.
Yeah.
Dude, last game I got fucking ruby. I didn't even know that was a thing.
What?
Yeah. We ended off with like 1.4 mil.
Oh, no.
1 minute remains.
Shit.
The ring is close.
Y'all weren't fucking around, were you?
Not really. I mean, I was just kind of relaxed, but I don't know. The other team found a bunch of shit though. That's why we got all that
The
money.
ring is in close proximity. Less than 1 minute.
Oh, I got time. Oh shit, that's right. I'm not Pathfinder. Dumb.
Attention. There is a new kill
I thought I was gonna grapple hook my way to something.
If they're getting cocky, they're getting sloppy.
30 seconds remain. Safety is an arrow shot away.
Good old fucking blood. Beep. What should I title this video, guys?
Beep.
Almost there.
Beep.
We are close.
Yeah, beep.
I fucking will too. I will too.
Wait, what's in it?
It's just me playing Apex and you guys talking to me.
Collusion
I literally
identified.
started recording when this game started, so.
Use the map as your guide.
Oh.
The ring is moving.
I hate
Y'all
when
good? You
machines
need
say.
anything?
I hate I hate when machines say that. Access denied.
I need light ammo.
I got you.
Well, you know what you gotta do if you want to have access granted. It's simple. Just give it a good kick.
Yeah, let's get up here and then we'll. Yeah.
Attention. Delivering care package.
We should go this way.
Ooh, just got 6th place. Silver. Okay, not bad.
Whoa!
I have fallen.
Heads up.
Grab me, I'm
Dropping the
safe.
package.
Let's go.
Arc star out.
Right in here. Teammate.
I'm down.
I'm taking
Wow.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh yeah, no.
Bad boys.
Bad Dogs, it's confirmed that the Warzone and Cold War and Modern Warfare are going to share the same operators and weapons. So, I don't know.
So is it
Logic-wise-
just gonna be the same warfare? Like.
New map. New map,
Warzone,
obviously,
I
not for
mean?
Dansk. I don't think.
Yeah, but like, is it gonna be basically like 2 games crossplay kind of deal, or?
Well, Warzone is its own thing. Like, it does, you know, I
Yeah,
guess.
So it's just gonna be the same thing on
Yeah,
Cold War 2,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
That's
The
kinda dope.
multiplayer and the other modes in Cold War are going to be like very different than the Modern Warfare, I bet. But the Warzone's the only thing that's going to be remote, like very remotely the same to Modern. So, like the zombies is obviously going to be a different experience. The campaign and the multiplayer is probably going to be similar to Warzone, but you know, every Call of Duty has their own unique multiplayer.
Yeah.
I'm just upset because I'm gonna have to see the same annoying fucking looking characters from Modern Warfare killing me.
Man,
Like the fucking naked Jaeger. Like, fuck that shit.
well, I'm sure there'll be new characters and shit, so we'll be good.
Yeah.
TNG.
This is my favorite part.
Yeah, get my main this time. Although I had
Ah,
really good
baby.
loot last game.
What should I have for dinner?
I know what I'm having. I'm having Panda Express.
I know I'd like to have Wraith because she's looking like a fucking snack. Damn, those thighs.
I know what I want to have. I want to have Bangalore.
Oh, baby.
You really, Panda?
Introducing your
Because I
champion.
could
Why
totally
not?
see. I could
Resort to
totally
the
see
sniper.
that. I could totally see that.
Sniper rifle.
Bangalore seems like the type of girl. I thought you'd be
bitch is a
more of
bear.
a lifeline
I'm
kind
the
of
Gotcha.
dude.
I won't let you down. Except by
Oh,
falling.
come on, man. Nah.
I feel like lifeline is kind of like she
This might
reminds
be
me
a
of
good
my
place to
sister.
land. Here we go. It's a long drop.
Copy that.
Fun.
Wait, you have a sister?
Sam, bro, dude, what? We've been through this.
You actually have it.
The Alzheimer's are kicking in.
Yeah, your Alzheimer's are kicking in, Panda.
Who's Panda?
Yeah, we're. He forgets his own game.
No, I know my gamer tag. I had Panda for a while from the start, ever since I played Xbox.
Oh, give me that.
Attention.
I was like, fuck you, give me that shit.
Beginning ring countdown.
Gotta go spin the wheel on GTA 5 at the casino.
Can I have some of that ammo? Alright. Guess my squad mate's an a-hole.
How did I not get that cash? I landed directly on it.
Line 'em up, line 'em up, line 'em
Really?
up, knock 'em back, knock 'em back.
Can I have some of
knock
that
'em
ammo,
back.
please? Damn.
There goes sus.
What are we playing, Among Us?
I like that.
Jesus.
We still gotta
fucking
play
Lord,
that.
man.
Gotta play what?
Among Us.
Yeah, we do.
We could try to make a game mode like it if you want.
I gotta
Just out. It's free on your phone.
download it, yeah.
I would play on my phone.
Too bad, motherfucker. You play on phone. You can
I
connect the
want
Xbox
the-
controller to it. Remember? Bluetooth. If you have the newer Xbox controller.
Okay, I'm
Definitely
gonna have a fully
not.
kitted sniper as soon as I fucking.
Unless you have like the Mark 1 Xbox controller. You at least have to have like the 1S generation controller to connect it to your phone and actually use it as a controller for
I need
gaming.
light ammo.
Your phone. I don't know if it would even work for
Light
Among
ammo
Us, but
here.
good.
I could use that.
I spent like $100 at GTA right now and got the Megalodon shotgun.
Enemy soldier incoming. Uh-oh. Cache being secured, Mark.
The rings
Where
in
are these
close
kids?
proximity.
I'm hearing a
Less
lot of
than
people
1
dropping
minute.
in. That's scaring the shit out of me, dude. Found one. No, never mind. That's a fucking that's a fighter. Like what the hell?
Extended light mag here. Level 2.
Come on, you stupid vending
Optics
machine.
here.
Give me 3
Close
sevens.
range.
Papa
Open
needs a
motherfucking
new
vending
car.
machine. There it is.
Papa needs a new car. Give me 3 sevens,
Ooh,
baby.
I see an orange box. Gimme.
The ring's
Munitions,
close.
I'm good.
10 seconds.
Of course, you just be mad racist to me. You just give me 3 melons. You fucking jackass. Motherfucker.
I can't even with you, Panda.
Well, actually, that's fair enough because 3 melons is worth $375,000.
I want to feel like a kid again. I think I might install SpongeBob
Panda, I think you're overestimating the
Battle for
market
Bikini
value
Bottom
of the
Rehydrated. I'm
do you-
dead ass.
what do you
dude.
mean
Like,
market-
that game
what do
was
you
so
mean
fucking
market?
fun. When I was like 5 years old, dude, I want to replay that shit.
Attention.
Just play Lego Star Wars, that's all I do.
Incoming care package.
Right, you're smoking in here. I asked you not to.
What the fuck am I smoking?
You're smoking your vape. I smell it.
What do you smoke?
I asked you not to smoke in here.
I'm not smoking.
I'm dead, dude.
I'm not lying. I'm not fucking smoking. You want to accuse me of smoking? Now I'm gonna smoke.
Got it!
100% a jackass, for sure.
Kelly, you're smoking a block of Swiss cheese.
Derb, I'm smoking Swiss cheese.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Well,
This game.
could have been better.
Derb. Swiss cheese.
Put
There's a
holes
jump
in you
tower
like
over there.
SpongeBob.
Let's explore this.
Cancel that. New kill leader appointed.
Hey,
Watch out for the new kill leader, friend.
Let's run, let's run. I got a purple rifle.
Tim, do you know if they're keeping tactical sprint in Cold War?
Nah, they're
Nah,
not.
nah. I low-key liked it.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, survey beacon.
Get over here, motherfucker! I need my bounty!
Ready to fly on a zip line.
Oh, I see him.
I am.
He just revealed his location.
Helmet here.
Hello? Oh, this is a little sketch spot right here. I have to go dead silent so long.
Ring location for us. Check your maps. It's zip line time.
You're not
Let's
leaving.
explore this
Up
way.
here, motherfucker. No way. Got him! No! Drop by me and revive me, bucko.
Ooh, I hear
Oh, shit.
sounds. I hear
Is he coming
sounds
over
in the
here?
distance. They sound like fighting.
Dude, we're gonna lose a lot of money if I die. Come on.
Contact with hostile.
God damn it. God damn it. Alright, I'll come back for it.
Hostile over there.
It's fine. Now we're in 8th. Great work, people.
I'm gonna go bet on the horse now.
Going to phase.
Giving my shields a recharge.
I got dropped by the hangars and shit. Oh no, bro. Okay, I can see where I died though. Let me mark that. Hey, don't worry. It's not a signal. It's just for reference. I mark a place just for reference, and all my teammates are going to it. But you won't revive me?
Oh, I was working on it, man. I was working on it. Oh, that hurt.
That horse right there has some steroids.
shit!
Oh yeah, bud.
Where's my...
I didn't get a kill. Ah, man. Oi. On the
Ooh,
next
another bag. Oh, there's bags and bags and bags. Oh, babe. Yeah, Bucky.
Bye,
Panda, no! No! That was a short notice. He did not say goodbye.
He'll probably join right back, I guarantee.
Cluster strike? Hold up. I gotta survey the area with the recon real quick before I do that shit. I have to go thermal. Whoa, what's going on over here?
Pop the smoke, make 'em broke.
Spending a lot of time on my backup characters today.
Shit, I gotta help my boy. I gotta help my boy out. Nice, you got them both. Those the same guys I killed.
Prepared
Came back.
and ready.
For his birthday, I got him a Glock. Hold more than 17.
Stay on me.
That's what I call an extendo.
Fucking 17, I bought a 21 so I can take my Glock drinking.
Ooh, got a UAV.
Touchdown here.
You wanna fuck with my
Hold on
team?
tight.
Let's
It's time to
explore
drop,
this way.
shock, and rock.
Cancel. Copy that.
We don't have to ride out with the AKs and the motherfucking Lincoln. Just spitting hot fire over here. Just...
Weird, I'm fucking with it.
That's not just hot fire, that's platinum fire. Wait, where's this contract? There we go. Scavenger, baby.
I straight up
Oh
wanna
shit, my
fucking
boy is
do, like,
down!
a Apex rap.
No!
Like,
I'll avenge you, my friend. No, they finished
shit,
it.
what was his
Son
name?
of a
Did the
bitch.
one with Pathfinder?
Hostile spotted.
He's like, Pathfinder, need a zip here.
Attention.
Who the fuck is that fucking guy? God damn it, I can
First
think
blood.
of
Gotta
I
be
can picture
someone.
him too.
Glad it's not one of us.
My butt is hurt. Alright, I'll figure it out in a minute.
Round 1. Beginning ring count.
No, you drop shotting. Fuck!
Look at the map. The next ring is far.
Dude, I'm dropping back there and I'm gonna kill them all, I swear to God.
Oh, that's right. Fucking
Yes,
I'm
take him
not
out, take him
Pathfinder.
Survey beacon here.
You just gotta keep an eye on that area. I'm about to drop back in and just kill all of them, dude. They just pissed me off.
Oh, that's the other material.
Alright, here I come.
Mozambique. Fuck that.
Devotion here.
Mozambique.
Aim for the next ring.
Yeah.
Check your
I have
mini
fucking like 3-shot shotgun in this game. It's like a pistol shotgun.
Uh-huh.
It's terrible. I got dope. But a Mastiff I will fucking take.
Whoa.
Yeah, the EVA 8's not that good either. Like, it's a semi-auto shotgun, but again, not that good.
Right through the window, motherfucker!
There is a new kill leader.
New kill leader.
I'm gonna get
If they're
rid
getting
of the
cocky, they're getting sloppy.
fucking light ammo weapon.
This guy's got a perk that hides his location. Great. I gotta find him myself. Oh, nice. That'll help. Where?
Oh damn! I thought I had that.
Need a medic.
I got overconfident. I thought I had that again.
Reloading.
Why did he creep on me like that? That was terrifying.
Ah, shit.
I just had a bloodhound just like stalk up on me while I was down. That was fucking terrifying.
Armor plates are full.
Making contact with enemy.
Bro, do it, do it, do it. You got it, homeboy. Yeah! Nice!
I love celebrating with my best friends. That's you.
That was... Oh, fuck yeah. And I'm gonna get my shit back. Nice! Dude, this squad is on top of it. I kind of potatoed out. I mean, I did some damage, but... How'd I do? And I did 56 damage. Alright, that's not good. Oh, dude, we're about as far as possible as we could be from the ring. Shitballs.
It's a flaming throwing now.
Check out this area.
Run, 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 run. Back over to my death box.
Phasing.
Attention. Delivering
Grappling.
care package.
That one's me.
Care package touching down.
Need to recharge my shields.
Screw it. I'll take the shotgun ammo. Take the bolt. Take that. Yo, I guess I'm running a shotgun this game, my boys.
Holy shit. Get the fucking shit out. Bro, what?
Oh, what? I get to keep more material. I get to keep materials and collect more. It resets when I die. That's a little broke.
There's a jump tower here.
Got you, bitch.
Oh,
Alright.
come on.
Who is next, motherfuckers?
Don't lag too hard on me now. We got to go.
Bro, we got more enemies dropping.
Oh, he's
We keep an eye on the heartbeats and tonight. You're not getting my money. Hey, you're getting my money.
Follow the tunnel.
I didn't know they could drop that fucking.
Oh,
Like I thought
nice.
it's 20 seconds between spawns. That was like fucking 10.
Good hit with the tunnel. Let's go.
Enemy over there.
We're a bit scattered. Check the maps.
Oh, I don't have time. I need shield cells, but I don't have time.
Opening fire. Reloading.
Oh, dude, I'm watching that ring counter like.
Getting shot at. Recharging my shields.
Reloading.
Yep. I need this death box.
Reloading.
Attention. The champion has been eliminated.
Smart moves. Champion's out.
All right, let's go.
Battle Pass couldn't move any slower.
No, oh, damn it, I didn't grab any light.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Listen, let's move here.
Let's explore this way.
Let's reposition here.
Sorry, can't do that, friend. Might be something good this way.
Let's check out this area.
Heard that.
Taking a knee. Patching up.
Repairing my damages.
Healing. Watch my back.
Round 2. Beginning main ammo.
Take time to full heal here.
I need light ammo.
Supply ship inbound. Replicator being delivered. Light ammo here.
Extended heavy mag here. Level 2. I need it.
So this is gonna seem like a crazy interruption here, but as I was sitting here and editing this, realized that my frame rate went to shit for the last like segment of this video. So the ending of this video is now gonna be just me sitting here, fucking like just staring at my screen with my editing thing up, because there was supposed to be more here, and there was a fun little ending and shit, but now I am fucking stuck with this. So, that being said, yeah. Anything exciting happening with you guys right now? Alright, guess not. And on that note, it's time to end.